Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I am here to see the doctor.
What is your name?
My name is Robert. I am 30.
Okay, Robert, you see Dr. Emily at 10 o'clock?
Yes.
Your room is 212. The doctor will see you in 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good, Dr. Emily.
Okay. Did you take the medicine?
Yes, I take the medicine every day. I want my leg to be good soon.
Your leg is getting better.
Yes, I feel it.
Good. Your leg will be okay in 1 or 2 weeks.
Oh, good. I don't like the crutch. It is hard to walk.
I know, but the crutch helps your leg.
I understand. I will use it.
Okay, I have new medicine for you.
Okay, thank you.
Get well soon. See you next week.
I hope my leg is all better next week. See you.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want a laptop for school.
Okay. What do you want to do with the laptop?
I want it for my schoolwork and to play some games. I want a low price.
I see. Look at this one. It is good for school. You can play games on it. And the price is low.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, it's a good laptop for you.
Okay, I will buy this one. Thank you.
Hello, that is $249. Card or cash?
Card, please.
Okay, please tap here.
Wow, fast.
Yes, it is very fast.
Do you have Apple Pay?
Yes, we do. Many people use it.
Oh, good. It is easy. Maybe next time.
Here is your receipt. Have a good day.
You too.
Dinner is ready. I made it for you.
It smells good. What is it?
It's steak and potatoes.
Oh, nice. Wow, the taste is big.
Do you like it?
Yes, it is very salty.
Oh no, too much salt?
It is a little salty, but it's okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I need water.
Please tell me, is it bad?
It is very salty.
I am sorry. The recipe is new.
Yes, maybe a lot of salt, but it's okay.
Oh no, the dinner is bad.
No, it's not bad. I can eat it. I'll drink a lot of water.
I made a bad dinner.
No, it's okay. Next time, use a little salt. It's good practice.
So you can't eat it?
No, I can eat it. I like it. Don't worry.
Wow, you look great. Are you more thin now?
Yes. Last year I was big. I was sad.
Oh, I am sorry. I didn't know.
It's okay. I wanted to change.
What did you do?
I ate fruit and vegetables. I also walked every day.
That is very good. How much weight did you lose?
24 pounds in 6 months. My family was very happy to see me.
That's wonderful. You look very happy now.
Yes, it is possible. Just go slow and don't stop.